Hi guys, got a really quick unboxing and review of the Ryobi One inflator and deflator. Now I've seen a few guys at the track with these and thought that's a fantastic idea because you can really quickly inflate and deflate your tires, especially if you rotate your track tires between front and back. They're not going to have the right pressure to start with. So coupled obviously with a really good tire pressure gauge, don't use the one that's on here, it won't be accurate. So coupled with that, it doesn't need to be plugged in, it's completely cordless. It uses the Ryobi One battery. I think it's a great idea, so let's take a look. So I have obviously opened this already because I wanted to make sure that it worked. So this is the unit. So what do we got here? We've got an inflator on the right hand side, which looks like it's for sort of tires. It's kind of what you're used to on like a bicycle pump. It's got different attachments here for like pumping up like footballs, like the needle to pump up like footballs and so forth. But this one here will do like bicycles and cars. Folds away quite neatly, which is really good. The other side is for air mattresses, which is really handy. On here, pretty simple. You flick it, I guess, to either the left or the right, depending on if what you're pumping up, an air mattress or not. Why don't we plug in the battery like that? Easy. Got battery, yes. And the display's like that, so you tell it what you want, 10 psi, 11, 12, whatever you want, and then you just press go. Really easy, and it will either inflate or deflate to the pressure that you want. So I reckon let's give it a test out. So I've hooked this up to my bicycle, and you can see here I've used one of the attachments that was in there, the grey part for these really thin road bike valves. They've got a special name, but I can't remember what it is. So I've hooked that up, and let's program this up. Now these take a lot of air. I might not do it all the way. Let's try it for 100 psi and go. And that's it, done. That was, what, 30 seconds? Not bad at all. From almost 0 to 100 psi. Really, really easy. Wow, this thing's awesome. And for car tires, you don't need anywhere near that pressure. So you're gonna be getting up to pressure in like, a couple of seconds to add like, the 5-10 psi that you actually need out at the track. So, highly recommended. Can't wait to use it out on the track. Ryobi One inflator and deflator. Thanks for watching.